Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Officers. In today's video, we are going to explore the backstage options in Microsoft Word. Basically everything that lives inside the file tab. This video is going to be a bit longer, but in single video you will understand all the options in and their usage. So let's get started. Right now I have opened a blank document and this is important. Now when I click on the file tab, this opens something called a backstage view. In previous video, I have already explored the home, new and open options. But at that time, these options were missing because we haven't opened any document at that time. That was the startup screen. And once you open any document, you will see these options also. So let's go through them one by one. First is the share option. This option helps you collaborate and sends file easily. If your file is uploaded on OneDrive, you can send the OneDrive link or just you can send the copy through the email through Word format or a PDF format. Next is info option. This section shows the document property. Think of this as the basic information of your file. It shows document title, author name, who modified the file, file size, word counts, and all the information. Next, we see the options here. Again, you can use the share options from here also. They both works the same. Now, next is the protect document option. This option helps you to control what other people do with your file. You can make the document read only. This means people can open it but can't edit it. You can add a password to open or edit the file. You can even restrict the editing. For example, allow only comments, track changes, or filling forms. Use this when you want to avoid unwanted changes or keep your document unchanged. And next is add a digital signature. This confirms that document is authentic and hasn't been changed. It mostly used for the official and legal document. Next is mark as final. This makes the document read only and tell the readers that hey, this is the final version. So just remember, this is more of a warning than a real security. People can still edit it, but if they really want to, but you can just inform them, yeah, this is the final version. Next is the inspect document option. This option checks the hidden information you may not want to share. It has some sub options like the document inspector or inspect the document. This change things like hidden text, header, footer, watermark. Very useful before sending a file to someone. Next is check accessibility. This helps makes your document readable for the people with disabilities. Then we have check compatibility. This checks if your document uses features that may not work in the older version of document. Next we'll see the version history. This shows the older version of your document. You can even restore them. This is useful when you made a mistake, you deleted something important, or you want to see who edited what. Especially helpful when file is saved on a OneDrive and multiple users are working on a single file. Next is manage document. This option we use to recover unsaved version or browse previous auto saved files. Very useful in Word if Word closes suddenly. So this is all from the info tab. Let's move on to the next, save and save as. So save option. Uh, the shortcut for it is Control plus S. You often press this just to save your file while working and just to save all your data. This file is already saved. If save option activate if your file is already saved and you just need to update it. Next is save as. Save as creates a new copy of the document. We can use it when you want to rename the file, you want to save it in different folder. Just like once I click on save as, I can get this option, and right now I want to save it in another folder, then I can click on browse and I can choose any folder I want and saved it with a different name. If I want to save this demo file with something called demo file number 1, and now the whole file gets saved with demo file number 1. Yes, you can see its name is also get changed. So this is what save as option is. And see, right now you don't see save and save as because my auto saved is on. If I clicked it off, then you can see those options. Next is print, and shortcut for the print is Control plus P. Here you can choose the printer, the number of pages, change the page orientation, change the page size, and many other options. So I have covered printing in separate video. So just think of it as if you want to print your document, this is the option. Next is export. Export option converts your documents into another format like PDF and XPS. PDF is great because it keeps formatting and it's hard to edit. And XPS is Microsoft alternative to PDF. So why do we use this option? Just to prevent easy editing, ideal for final sharing, and it keeps the layout intact. Even we can change file type to so many others like Word 97 2003, even in text files, even for PDF, XPS, or even web pages. This is very useful when sharing with people using older version of your Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. So what's the difference between this export and save as? So export is creating a final version in another format, and save as is like a saving a copy with a new name or a location. So next is close option. If I click on it, it will close the Word window. Next is the account option. This is the option where you can see all your account information, the version of the Microsoft Office you are using, see what account you are signing in with. You can switch the account, you can even switch the license, you can manage your account online. Even it has all your license update, it has the update information, and so many things. Even you can change the office background and theme also. If you want your office to be a dark theme, you can change from here. If you want to change the office background like this, it's now showing star. I just want to see with the clouds. I just want, suppose, like underwater. As you can see, octopus and little crabs are there. When you can change office theme to the black theme, so it's that easy as that. Again, I will change back to the colorful. So this has this option available in the account. Next is the option. This opens the word setting. I have made a separate video on this section because it has a lot to cover. As you can see, there are so many settings option are there where you can customize as per your requirement. So these are all the backstage options in Microsoft Word. In the next video, we'll continue with more exciting Word features. Till then, stay tuned and bye.